hooked up big here on this micro series. Let's try to reel it. Oh, video at the same time. See how this goes. Got 4-pound test on this motherfucker. Oh god. Let's see what it is. I don't even know what it is. I don't know if it's a bass. Trying to look. Oh, come on. Let me see what you are. Let me see what you are. Let's reel down. It's a fucking little bass or drum. It's a catfish. Okay, it's a little catfish. Alright. Perfect eating size. I'm keeping you. Fishing for bluegill. This 4-pound test makes it so fun. Look at him hook so good. Get your ass back up here. God! My wrist is so tired. Alright, I'm gonna land them. Yay! Got my catfish. Going on the stringer.